hope everyone's having a wonderful day. This is day 24 on the path to $30,000 a month or $1,000 a day. This is going to be a pretty busy day, as you can see. We're starting off with decals. If you do not know me, my name is Nick. I'm 27 years old. I've created a decal business for the last 3.5 years. It has been growing substantially in the last year. And I basically just wanted to go over my day in the life of ups and downs in business. So I hope you enjoyed this video. And at the very end of the video, we'll be going over my income from yesterday. So enjoy the video. Alright guys, so I got all these packages ready to go and get shipped out. I wanted to show you all of my mud boats that are stashed away. I need to do a FBA shipment, but I am missing a 4x6 packing sheet, cellophane wrap to wrap the mug boats in to send them out. So I gotta wait another day on doing the FBA shipments, which I said I was gonna do yesterday, but you know how business is. You say you're gonna do one thing and something happens and you can't do it. So for the rest of the day, I'm gonna be doing a lot of online stuff, a lot of listing. So I may record that. Yeah, I mean, today was a lot lighter day. Tuesdays are usually lighter. Oh no, today's Wednesday. Oh my God, I can't keep track. Also, the YouTube channel is picking back up. So the commenting and the liking and all that is really, really helping boost the algorithm back up. So thank you very much for watching. And yeah, so let's get back to it. Let's do some design work and listing, and then we'll go over yesterday's revenue. Look, I'll even show you. You can see the graph went low here. That was yesterday, but you can see it was like bad, and then we got a little jump here. So really, really appreciate it. Thank you. Okay. I may have overdone the packages of mud boats here. Yeah, it's getting crazy. I got all these too. Okay, so I also have another 500 coming and then another 720 coming. I need to get these out like tomorrow, but I need to get the cellophane wrap. So I'm hoping it comes tomorrow, because then I can get these things out. But unfortunately, I do not have it right now. Also, I just advertised t-shirts because I'm getting more t-shirt sales. So I just single-handedly advertise just specific one-off single ad group t-shirts on Amazon. I have a software that does it for me, and I'll make a video on it one day if I actually keep using it. But now I got 3 days left on the trial, so I'm just trying to get all my products advertised. So I will let you know what goes on with that. But yeah, I'm doing that, and then I'm also looking up right now cold emailing strategies with the software on Shopify. So if you actually know any cold email tools on Shopify without using like a third party out of the website, let me know, because I want it to be linked with my products and stuff. So I don't know, I'm struggling. That is how I think I'm gonna get to the 30K mark as well, is with cold email strategy. So yeah, let me know. I'm also lagging pretty heavy right now. I need to get sticker orders out, decal orders out and sticker orders out, but I'm waiting on envelopes. I'm out of envelopes, so I'm waiting on that. I'm just waiting on everything right now. I'm kind of like on pause until I get everything, so I'll keep you posted. All right, as you can see, I finally got my envelopes in, so here I am fulfilling all the orders. All right, so starting off with yesterday's income, we ended up making $14.66 on eBay. All right, so for Amazon, we made a total of $417.06. So not bad, but definitely a lower day. All right, so yesterday's total ended up being $432. All right, so we have 6 days left in this month. So we are at $18,836. So We need to be at $24,000 to be on track to 30K a month, and we got 6 days left. So hopefully something magical happens in those couple days. It's something that I need to figure out, of course. So anyways, if you did enjoy this video, please subscribe down below. I'm gonna be doing videos like this every single day, and tomorrow will be day 25. So hope to see you all there. Have a great day.